Hi, boys and girls. Hope you're well today. We're going to have a new story today, and it's called Four Seasons for Animals. And the genre for this story is informational text. And we know all about informational text because we've been writing about it, we've been reading about it, and we've been listening, right? An informational text gives facts about a topic. Look for the facts about what happens to plants and animals during the seasons. And our focus is on headings. Remember we talked about captions and headings? When we had to put a caption on a picture that we drew or that Mrs. Hurston drew? Well, the headings are the same thing. They're titles for different parts of an informational text. They tell you what each section will be about. What do the headings in this section tell you? So let's look at the heading. Okay, what does it tell us? One thing we're learning about the Four Seasons, and it's written by and illustrated by Ashley Wolf. And our first heading says spring, and we know spring is when the flowers begin to bloom and the little babies are born. So let's begin our story. Four Seasons for Animals. Spring. It is spring. Young animals run and play. Bird nests are full of eggs. Soon the animals will hatch. Ooh, look at that. Spring brings rain, grass turns green and grows tall. Buds grow on trees and plants. Spring also brings rain, puddles. Flower buds get wet. Rain helps the new plants to grow. And for these last 2 days, we've had lots of rain, heavy rain. All right, you're ready for some sun now. Look at our next heading. What does that say? Summer. It is summer, and it's almost summer for us. Buds open and flowers bloom in the bright sun. Insects buzz here and there. Now there are chicks in the birds' nests. Their mother will teach them how to fly. It can get very hot in the summer. Many animals live near the pond. Ducks swim in the pond. Fox pups cool off in the shade. Ooh, look at this heading. What does that say? Fall. What's happening there? It is fall. Leaves fall down. Animals get ready for winter. Some animals eat as much as they can. They need to store fat because food is scarce in the winter. Squirrels and chipmunks gather nuts so they will have enough food for the winter. So how many seasons we have left? We've talked about spring, we've talked about summer and fall. So what's next? Yes, I hope you said winter. Brr, cold. Winter. It is winter. Winter can be very cold and wet. Bears hibernate in the winter. That means they sleep. Many other animals hibernate in the winter. They curl up in dens to keep safe from the cold and the wet. Like all the seasons, the winter will pass. The animals know that spring will come once again. Okay, who enjoyed that story? I hope you did. I want you to do this exercise for me. Make a chart. How are the selections alike and different? Okay. Describe a season. Describe your favorite season. Tell why you like it. All right, let's try and do that exercise. Good job.